What are you looking at?
A big woodpecker.
A big whoopee?
A big woodpecker.
Oh,
Lovely. You can't see him?
no. Not unless you want him chasing off.
No. He's actually some kind of flicker, you call him. He looks better in person than him on my camera.
Okay, let's get up. Come on. Would you take that piece of paper that's sticking out? Hey! And tuck it back under.
Sure.
Okay, before it gets ruined and I can't read it, and it has stuff on it already for my mom.
I'll do that. Okay, there he goes.